Want to know how typeof works in JavaScript? Let's break it down. What is typeof? Typeof is a JavaScript operator that returns the data type of a variable. For example, type of hello. So this hello is a string, right? So basically typeof is a JavaScript operator that tells us the type of a variable. This is the common data types and results. Type of 42, this is a type of, that is number. Type of JS, this is a string. Type of true, this is a type of value, that is boolean. Type of undefined, this is undefined. Type of null, that is object. Type of this curly braces, this is object. Type of this is object. Arrays are objects. Type of functions, so this is a functions, right? But JavaScript has some weird behaviors. Type of null returns object, which is known as bug. Type of null object, historical bug in JavaScript. Type of NA, not a number. Throw, it's not a number, just type of this array object. Arrays are special type of objects, right? Now you know how type of works. Like and follow for more JavaScript tips.